there, Barbie lovers! Welcome to a new repair video. We are going to repair a Spanish Loving You today. Let's have a first look into our Barbie head. And our endoscopic camera reveals the pattern is not complete anymore. Many streaks are missing here, and we have to replace them. In case you don't know what a reroot is, you take a head without hair and you give it new hair again, and that's your reroot. Let's continue now with taking her head off for the repair. She's super hot, so I'm going to wait a few seconds until I take the head off, and here we go. So that's our head. We take the first streak, put it in our bowl, and then push until it comes out. Here. And I push a little bit inward to make the loop a little smaller. And then I continue. I check here that I'm inside in the hole, in the loop of my previous streak, and then we continue with the next streak. My next streak is in the first one, and then I push the first one. And then I have another loop. And then I check again if I have my needle in the loop. And then I start again. Super if you like meditative tasks, because it lasts a long time. So here's my work after 15 to 20 minutes. She got at least these streaks as new hair, and we're going to continue here. So here's my little progress after the last hour. And I'm going to continue now with the outer part that's still missing here and here. And that's what we're going to do next. Let me share a big secret with you. It's no problem when you use a similar hair color and not a 100% fitting hair color, because you won't see it later on. let's have a look into our head after the reroot, and I'd like to give you a comparison between before and after. I like to use stitching yarn for my reroots to finish the last streak, but you can use whatever you have at home. That's just my method of finishing the reroot. It's a little messy inside, but that's normal after the reroot. Here's my Steam Genie, and I'm going to use it to flatten the white Barbie hair. That's what we have right now here. She will be drying for 1 day so that we can finally continue tomorrow. In case you are interested to learn more about how to keep the wild hair flat, I have made a very interesting video for you with a banderole that I'm going to link above. My dear Barbie lovers, I hope you like the result that we got here after our repair. You have learned something. You don't forget that a good repair increases the value of your doll. I hope we see each other very, very soon. Your Busy Bee from Germany. Bye! Welcome to a new episode of Busy Bee from Germany. Today we are going to repair hair. We are going to repair her hair because she's missing some hair. Now let's start with this wonderful Spanish Loving You.